This is the mount. Where is this supposed to, what? Oh boy. So one more thing I thought I would do today, bring you guys along with me, is installing a new A-pillar. Open up this door and then I'll come grab you and bring you along with me here. Where am I gonna put you? Yeah, I tried getting out and I was gonna twist myself using my arms and that's what happened. Done. 7/16 is like that much too? Wow. Wow. Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna go raid my dad's tools and see if he has something along the lines of a 10 mil. Ah, metric, standard, yes. Win! So, 10 mil? Nah. See, now, part of me is thinking that maybe I should throw my other part in here while I'm here. What do you think? Because I kind of have to put it underneath my A-pillar once I install it. So if my A-pillar's out already anyways, yeah, let's just do it once and do it right. I got one of these, I'll flip it around, I guess, the CTS3 tuner insight dealies. Quick install guide. Oh, this is a book. And I'm actually gonna read this because I'm a dummy and I've never run anything like this, never installed anything like this. And as I said, I've never owned a diesel, so I don't plan on tuning this thing, as I was saying. It's basically just gonna be a baby monitor. This is the mount. Where is this supposed to, what? Oh boy. Ah, down there, maybe. I don't freaking know. Ooh, let's not throw the monitor around. Expensive part to be just chucking. There goes my interior lights. How's the lighting for you? Is it as good for you as it is for me? All right, so that was actually way simpler than I thought. It was just more of a pain trying to lay down on the floor. But going up there, it's actually a pretty clear shot to come straight up in here. I don't think that quite fits right. Oh, there we go. This guy goes there. Okay, I like the placement of that. So it can get snugged. Let's try and get this plug-a-doohickey. No, wrong one, I think. No, okay, other way. No, yep. No, I don't freaking know. Yeah, there we go. That's better. Nope, there it is. Do you agree? Yep. Holy, okay, I have no idea what I'm looking at here. I had to take a day or so and update this thing, get everything all set up the way that I like it, but I'm really liking it. Sits there nice, doesn't really obstruct any view or anything. Looks good. On clear ice right now, so not really going anywhere fast, but I like it. Editing Blake here. I'd just like to say thank you for watching, and I'm not going to say this very often because it annoys me when others do, but being a new channel, if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, everyone really does make a difference. If you'd like to follow along for more content, this is going to be a long build series. I have a lot going into it. Tires, rims, you name it. It's going to be extensive. So follow along if you like off-road content. Hope you have a good rest of your day, guys.